Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be trading with PocketOption, and over here I'll be showing you another great strategy. And over here we have couples of indicators. The first one is called moving average, the second one is parabolic SAR, and the last one is called the momentum. All right, so guys, this strategy is powerful, so I want you to pay total close attention. Okay, the moving average, our moving period, okay, should be 100, and the moving average should be SMA, and the style should be 2 pixel. All right, so that is all. You can effect all the corrections on yours. Then the parabolic SAR, the acceleration is 0.02, while the maximum acceleration should be 0.2. And over here I use it on white color. When you're done, you click save. Our momentum down is the default settings, so the period, make sure is on 10, and you don't need to touch anything around here, just save. All right, so all you have to do is the settings of your moving average and parabolic SAR. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. So please don't forget, we are trading on 1 minute trade time. All right, and of course the candle time is Heikihashi and on 30 seconds. Okay, that is all. So how this strategy work is very important for you to pay attention here. All right, as I explain everything. So when we have our candlestick below the moving average and our parabolic SAR is just starting, then it will be a good moment to go for a down payment. Okay, a down trading. So, and the momentum too is down. All right, so it must be definitely be showing down. All right, before you enter a lower trading. All right, so make sure these signals work together. All right, so there is something that will happen before you go uptrend. So the candle must be above the moving average, then the momentum must be on uptrend. Okay, then and the parabolic points must be showing up as well. All right, so let's change our currency pair real quick and let's move. So right now, let me analyze the market. So when I get a good moment, I'll come down and take a trade. And of course, I'll explain to you how I enter each trade. All right. So this is a good moment, guys. I'm going to enter a trade here, a down trade. Okay, as you can see, we have a candlestick newly in there is a branch down below a little the moving average. Okay, so you must actually have your candle, all right, below your moving average. Okay, just a bit. All right, so you can see our parabolic SAR is intersecting down. All right, and the momentum is actually giving us a downstream signals as well. All right, before you enter any trade. So let's see how this trade is going to be, whether it's going to be a good one. All right, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. All right, and make sure you follow my Telegram group, the link in the description. So the actually the market is moving, so let's see. Yeah, we've made the money on that. Okay, and there is a pullback, so we earn our profit on this trading. All right, so what I want you to make sure the parabolic is starting out. Okay, whether up or down. All right, so I'm going to analyze again and take my next trade. So before you take any signal, make sure the parabolic point is up to 3 or 4. All right, so let me take another trade so that I'll show you another method. Okay, good. This is a very strong uptrend. Okay, so I've entered this trade. Now always that you are just finding your parabolic SAR starting out. All right, 1 2 3, you enter. All right, 1 2, then the third, before the third you enter. All right, because it's going an uptrend. You can see the candlesticks above the candlestick. Then our momentum again is another start in another point because it's just starting out. As you can see, the market trend is going up. All right, so that is the reason why I entered this trade. Okay, because there is a very strong signal here. So make sure your parabolic SAR, the chart, and everything work together in harmony. All right. So that is basically all that you have to be checking before you take an uptrend or downtrend. All right. Let's see how it goes. A good one. All right. So again, we have won this. Let's keep analyzing. When I get another good moment, I'll come down and take it again. All right. So let's go. I'm analyzing to see if I can get another good moment. Good. This is another moment for uptrend. All right. We have the candlestick above. We need to wait in order to have a confirmation of the momentum, all right, before we can enter a trade. You see, it's not happening because the market is changing immediately. So we are not going to enter this trade, okay? Let's keep analyzing. Okay, guys, it's a good moment here. Let me enter this immediately. As you can see, strong indication is here. Our parabolic is just starting with 3 dots, and our momentum again, and our candlestick, they are too thick. All right, so it's a strong signal. All right, so you have to make sure all these 3 parabolics are just starting out, 3 or maximum 4. All right, and make sure your momentum too is very strong, okay, as uptrend before you take uptrend. All right, if it is downtrend, it's going to be down and red. All right, so make sure you work with that, and don't be in haste, okay? Make sure you see all these things harmonize together, all right, before you take a trade. All right, so make sure it's above the moving average, all right, or below it if you are going the downtrend. You see, that's the good one. I've made money on that. So guys, I'm stopping here. Please subscribe to my channel if you love my content, and make sure you join my Telegram group if you want more. All right, as I said, you can start trading immediately with as low as $20, okay? 1,000, from anything from $20 to $1,000 you can deposit and start making use of this strategy, okay? It's free to use once you register. All right, the registration link is in my description box, so make sure you register with that link, and it earns you 50% bonus when you register with the link in my description box, okay? So see you in my next video, and make sure you follow all that I have said, okay? Give it your best, your time, okay? Don't be in haste, please. Don't be in haste, all right? And don't trade OTC market, okay? Make sure you trade in normal currency pairs. So this is where I'm going to stop. So I will make another video by next week on this strategy, how to master it, okay? So see you in my next video, and make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you receive my next video. Love you. See you.